In front of me is CUBOT X20, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources in this phone. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select apps and notifications, go to advanced then, and now click on special app access. Here you will notice install unknown apps, click on it to open, and now choose the source that you would like to give this permission to, for example Google Chrome, and click on allow from this source. And that's it. From now on you will be able to install apps via Chrome, and you can do the same stuff for any other app that you would like to install another app from. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.